Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a Hotmail account. So it's pretty simple. You want to search for Hotmail sign up. Once you search for Hotmail sign up, it's going to show you Microsoft account sign up. Now the reason when you search Hotmail it shows you Microsoft is because Hotmail has been bought by Microsoft. So the company Hotmail has now changed its name into Outlook. So if you want to log in or sign up into Hotmail, you need to go through Microsoft. And don't worry about it. If you create yourself a Microsoft account, you will be able to access Hotmail. And remember, Hotmail is known as Outlook. So you won't be accessing Hotmail, you will be accessing Outlook. The name has been changed into Outlook. So don't get confused when I say Outlook in this video. So click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to ask you to enter an email for your account first. So enter an email over here and click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to create a password for your account. So create a password for your account and click on next. After you create a password, it's going to ask you to enter your first name and your surname. So my first name is Kevin and my surname is Witchy. And I will click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to choose the country you belong to and choose your date of birth. If you choose your date of birth, click on next. On the next step, it's going to ask you for a verification code. A verification code is going to be sent to your Gmail. So open your Gmail and enter the verification code which you got on your Gmail. And once you enter the code and click on next, your Gmail will be verified. Once your Gmail is verified, on the next step, your account will be created. And once your account is created, you can start using Outlook, which is basically the changed name of Hotmail. So I hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.